Have you ever downloaded Adobe Acrobat Reader from Adobe's website, only to realize that the installer is just a tiny 1.5 megabyte file? Then, when you run it, it starts downloading even more files from the internet before the installation can continue. If you've ever wanted to install Adobe Reader on multiple computers or on a PC without internet access, that small installer can be quite frustrating. In this video, I'll show you how to download the official Adobe Acrobat Reader offline installer directly from Adobe, including the 64-bit version for Windows 11. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and visit get.adobe.com/enterprise. I'll also leave the link in the video description so you can easily access it. This is Adobe's official enterprise download page, and it's where we can download the complete offline installer. Once the page opens, you'll see three important options: operating system version and language. For the operating system, choose Windows. Next comes the language option, and this is where many people accidentally download the wrong installer. Watch carefully. If you choose the regular English language, Adobe may only display the 32-bit installer, as you can see on the screen. Even though most Windows 11 computers are 64-bit, selecting the normal English option doesn't always provide the 64-bit download. Here's the trick. Click the language dropdown. Instead of selecting English, choose All Languages, MUI. The moment you select All Languages, MUI, Adobe will now display both the 32-bit and the 64-bit offline installers. Now simply choose Reader 64-bit, then click Download. Notice the size of the downloaded file. The normal installer from Adobe's homepage is only about 1.5 megabytes because it's an online installer. The offline installer is much larger because it already contains all the files needed to install Adobe Acrobat Reader. That means you can save it and use it to install Adobe Reader on multiple computers without downloading the installation files every single time. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Locate the installer you just downloaded. Double-click it to begin the installation. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now simply follow the installation wizard. The setup will install Adobe Acrobat Reader directly from the files already included in the installer. Once the installation is complete, Adobe Acrobat Reader is ready to use immediately. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. The normal Download Acrobat Reader button on Adobe's homepage gives you a small online installer that still needs an internet connection. To download the complete offline installer, visit Adobe's official enterprise download page. And if you want the 64-bit installer, remember to select All Languages, MUI, instead of the regular English option. I hope this tutorial saved you some time. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more Windows tips, programming tutorials, and practical tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.